you doing? This is Everett Winchester, CEO of Real Truth and Power Incorporated. We do a lot of things like uplifting the black community, and one of the main things we're going to be doing is sponsoring black-owned businesses, promoting black-owned businesses, supporting black-owned businesses. One of the black-owned businesses that we'll be doing today is called Tazaryach Creations, and what they specialize in is body oil and body butter. Here's the body oil I got. It's called 4th Dimension Blue. I really like the smell. Check with the wife, she does approve. It's real strong, but not overwhelming. Should stay on for a good amount of time. So I really love it. He has a lot of different fragrances, but I definitely wanted to try the blue. And another thing is the body butter, which I really love. If you're like me with ashy skin, and you want to promote a positive product that doesn't mess your skin up, it gives you a phenomenal fragrance, I want you to try the body butter. If I open it up, and this one is what I got for my wife. Don't judge me, it's called Lick Me. And this is how it comes. And this smell is phenomenal. And I also got for myself the 4th Dimension body butter. I like a lot of the butter, shea butter and stuff like that. Like I said, I have ashy skin, but this one I like is because it's not too oily, and as you can see, it's really natural, goes on real nice, and the smell is phenomenal. So I definitely want to promote my brother, Tazaryach Creations. For all guys that do know, he's one of the people that are in the conscious community with Sonetta TV, but definitely he's a black-owned business, so we want to promote all black-owned businesses. If you want to get more information on how to order the product, click the link below, and we also have some promotions on this item.